The United States used to be a beacon of human rights and upholding human rights around the world. Instead, America is becoming a place where human rights violations are happening on American cities and streets. We are now having masked men who don't identify themselves, armed to the teeth, who are disappearing people off the streets of Los Angeles, of Seattle, of Portland, of Washington, D.C., and all over this country. If you're arrested in the United States, you should have access to due process. You should be able to talk to an attorney, and you should be able to know what charges are being imposed on you and why you are being held. Instead, people living in the United States are being disappeared. They're being denied access to their lawyer. They're being denied access to a judge, and they're being deported to places where they've never visited, where they have no connection to, and that could be subject to torture and terrible, inhumane conditions here in the United States and abroad. Americans need to stand up for our rights under the Constitution of the United States, and that means all people in the United States should be free from that fear of being snatched up and sent away without charges. We as Americans need to stand up for the rights of all people in this country, and we need to stand up for human rights and for the protection of the U.S. Constitution.